In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google form public but not editable. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to access your Google form. So, begin by heading over to the Google Forms website. Once there, hit the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to type in your email address, then click Next, followed by entering your password. Once you've filled in those details, click Sign In to access your forms. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the Google form you want to make public. If you've got a bunch of forms, find the one you're looking to share in your list of forms. Once you're in your form, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 dots forming a vertical line. Click on these 3 dots. This is where a lot of the magic happens in terms of form settings and customization. Upon clicking the 3 dots, you'll want to select Add Collaborators. This feature is primarily used to add individuals who you want to be able to edit the form. However, in this instance, we're steering in a slightly different direction. After clicking on Add Collaborators, navigate back to the top right corner, and this time, click on the gear icon. This icon brings you to the Form Settings, a critical area for tailoring your form's privacy and sharing settings. In the Settings menu, your eyes should catch sight of several checkbox options. If you look closely, the second box is what controls whether respondents can edit their responses. Since our goal is to keep the form public but not editable, you'll unclick this second box. This action disables the ability for respondents to go back and edit their answers after submitting the form, ensuring that once responses are in, they're locked in. And just like that, you've successfully made your Google form public while preventing any edits to submitted responses. This simple adjustment is perfect for when you need to gather data or opinions but want to ensure that the responses remain consistent. Remember, sharing forms intelligently and responsibly is key to collecting the data you need without compromising the form's intent or the privacy of those involved. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial on making your Google form public but not editable. Whether you're collecting feedback, organizing an event, or conducting research, you now have the know-how to share your form with confidence. Happy form making!